In a world driven by industry, our future hangs in a delicate balance. Today we face a pivotal moment in our journey to net zero. As it stands, industry contributes 30% of global direct greenhouse emissions. 54% of the world's energy is consumed by our industries. And in a single year, over 13.2 gigatons of waste were generated. The impact is undeniable, the challenge immense. But within this challenge lies an unparalleled opportunity. Imagine a world where economic prosperity coexists with environmental stewardship. This is not just a vision, it's a possibility, waiting to be realized. Introducing World Industrial Day. A day to celebrate, to innovate, and to inspire. We will raise awareness, showcase global climate action efforts, and build a network of sustainability champions. We will recognize those at the forefront of the global green agenda and invite startups and innovators to reshape our world. World Industrial Day is more than a celebration. It's a call to action. Join us in making World Industrial Day a catalyst for change, for an inclusive, sustainable, and prosperous tomorrow.